Drift Ghost X, for fuck's sake. I am a nerd. I've done programming, pretty much every aspect of computers, and I've been trying to get this thing to work on my PC for the past 7 hours, and it won't do it. It will not recognize it on my computer. I've tried formatting, I've tried without an SD card, I've tried going into the device manager, and it will not recognize it as an external device or as any kind of device. I've tried going online for help, I've tried emailing them, and they won't respond. It won't even come up as an unknown device. I've tried going through the device manager. I've tried going through every single thing you can do to actually try and find out what the fuck it is. It's not even recognizing it as a USB device. All it's doing is plugging it in and charging. That's all that cable is doing. All I can think is that either they put in a dodgy cable that's not a data cable, it's just a charging cable, which seems really stupid, because the rest of the camera is working. I've had a wander around and played with it, and it recorded. Quality is not exactly great, but then it's only 1080. I've had to take the SD card out of the camera, which means using a pair of pliers. I shit you fucking not. The SD card is not going to last more than 4 or 5 attempts if I have to keep using pliers to take it out, to put it into an external card reader, and then put it into the PC to copy the files. For 130 quid, it's a waste of fucking space. And the fact that the instructions don't actually take into account these problems. And you know damn well that there are problems, and they're aware of these problems, because if you go to their website, they have tutorials about different things. At no point do they mention a PC or a Mac. At no point do they say anything about how to copy things from the camera to a computer. And the only way you can copy it to another form of media, like a mobile phone or a tablet — who the fuck uses tablets these days? — is by Wi-Fi. And you don't copy the video footage via Wi-Fi, you're copying a thumbnail, extremely low resolution version. Yeah, if it weren't for the fact that it would take me 160 miles round trip, I'd take it back and put it through the fucking window. So yeah, I do not recommend the Drift Ghost or any of their fucking products.